Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I am Dennis. My channel do cover multiple topics, including Copier, large format printer, extreme sport and vlog. The following video is for education purpose, which you guys can learn something new from my channel.
Don't worry if you see this message, this is normal. Just click I agree and the machine can be using as normal. In the future time, I will do more videos about the Copier tutorial. If you guys have any question, please do not feel hesitate to give me a comments below. I will try my best to reply you guys. See you guys in next video. Bye bye.